an opportunity to survive and thrive in a sovereign, secular, democratic, and independent country. During the last 66 years, we have made tremendous progress in different spheres. Our technological competence and value systems, fortified by our ancient civilization and rich cultural heritage, are highly respected by the world community. Let us remember, there is still a tremendous work for us to be done to move forward on our social and economic agenda. Our foremost priority should be removal of poverty, hunger, and malnutrition, disease, and illiteracy. The day when our dreams will come true is not far off. Let us therefore all resolve on this solemn occasion that we will all create a better India. An India free of terror, poverty, disease, ignorance, and inequality. An India which all Indians shall be proud of. With these words, may I request you all to repeat after me with full vigor and zeal at your command this beautiful patriotic slogan 3 times. हमारा गणतंत्र, हमारा गणतंत्र, हमारा गणतंत्र अमर रहे, हमारा गणतंत्र। Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring and thought-provoking words. We appreciate your valuable insights and will strive to follow the path you outlined. Namo Namo He Bhagavati, Namo Namo He Saraswati. With the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, we begin today's celebrations.
We are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. This phrase so aptly goes with the spirit of the people of India. the largest democracy in the world. 65 years back, a salute of 21 guns and the unfurling of the Indian national flag by Dr. Rajendra Prasad heralded the historic birth of the Indian Republic on January 26, 1950, when the Constitution of India finally came into force under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Since then, every year, the day is celebrated with great pride and happiness all over the nation. When we travel across our country, from east to west, north to south, we experience different traditions and cultures, but the spirit of nationalism binds us together. Sri Ram World School presents before you a colorful cultural bonanza depicting this unique feature of India, one nation together.
साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
जय भारत जय भारत जय भारत जय भारत।
Wow, that was amazing. But what was it all about? मैं भारत हूँ, यह भारत देश की एक झलकी थी। तुम कौन हो? I am India of 2015. मुझे खुशी हुई तुमसे मिलकर। क्या तुमने कभी भारत भ्रमण किया है? No, not really. चलो, मैं तुम्हें अतुल्य भारत के दर्शन कराने ले चलती हूँ। Wow, I'm so excited. Where should we start from? Let's go to Rajasthan in Western India. It is famous for fairs and festivals, temples, forts, palaces and sand dunes, wildlife and havelis. It is a reflection of the indomitable spirit of the Rajasthanis who have learned to enjoy themselves even in the harshest of conditions. The state also glows with its historic past of royalty and magnificence. चलो, अपनो राजस्थान, रंगीलो राजस्थान।
रंगीलो भारो ढोलना ढोलना वे, रंगीलो भारो ढोलना ढोलना वे।
was vibrant and colorful. Yes, Rajasthan has always fascinated people from far and wide. Now let me take you from the west to the east. Bengalis have long fostered art, literature, music and drama. From the northern highlands at the feet of the Himalayas to the mangrove forests of Sundarban. West Bengal is a land of myriad beauty. Come, let's go to West Bengal, the land of Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Swami Vivekanand and so many other prominent personalities.
Jai Jai, Ding Jai, Jai Jai, Ding Jai, Re Oman भूले जा तारे, पेछो पापानी तारे, ओमन भूले जा तारे, पेछो पापानी तारे, शुद्ध चंदे आनंदे मन भोरे दे, धिंता उड़ धिंता उड़ धिंता उड़ धिंता. বাজে পাতি ঢাকে সে যে তোমায় ডাকে সে যে আমায় ডাকে পুরানো দিনের কথাকে মনে রাখে এমন ঢাকুড়া কুড়কুড় বাজে পাতি ঢাকে সে যে তোমায় ডাকে সে যে আমায় ডাকে পুরানো দিনের কথাকে মনে রাখে সাদের মন তরণী ভেবে ছেড়ে দে রে ধিনতা উড় ধিনতা Jai Jai, Ding Jai, Jai Jai, Ding Jai, Reke de, Oman bhule ja tare, pecho papauni tare, Oman bhule ja tare, pecho papauni tare, shudhu chande anande mon bhore de, dinta ud dinta ud dinta ud dinta.
Show me the other amazing parts of India. Sure, I will. The state of Maharashtra played a significant role in the independence struggle. The state is also home to a number of gems of India like Tilak, Shivaji, B.R. Ambedkar, not to forget the present-day Nightingale, Lata Mangeshkar. Come with me to the coastal region of Maharashtra where a group of fishermen are celebrating.
ढोल
Punjab is situated in the northwestern region of India. It is also known as Golden Harvest. Some of the battles and events that changed the course of Indian history took place on its soil. Punjab has been the birthplace of many dynamic and great personalities like Udham Singh, Sukhdev, the Sikh Gurus, Har Gobind Khurana, etc.